You might be wondering, why do I have the flag of a country and the flag of an anime in my video? And if you didn't know, well, I'm gonna explain. So firstly, this flag is the flag of the country called Nepal, which recently had a uprise of the youth in the country overthrowing the government and replacing the leaders. They literally voted for a new leader online, a Discord server. Hey, but anyways, this flag is a flag of a pirate crew called the Straw Hat Pirate Crew. That it comes from an anime called One Piece. There's also a manga to it. So, you might just say like, what's the correlation? Why you bring up a real life country flag and a anime flag? What? But let me add some context. So this flag from the pirate crew is the anime is entirely about a young man that went out to become the pirate king. His idea of a pirate king is absolute freedom, the ability to do whatever he wants. However, in this world, they have the Marines, the Navy, who are the good guys when you first unlock in the anime. But then a step ahead of the Marines, you have the world government. And above the world government, you have some people called the celestial dragons. These celestial dragons are individuals who see themselves as better than everyone else. Kid you not, they live on a mountain, for lack of a better term. And when they're coming down to deal with regular people, they literally wear a helmet, a bubble mask, so they don't breathe the same air as everyone else. These people take slaves. These people will see you with your wife, and if your wife look good, they will kill you and take your wife. So again, you're like, well, why you have these two flags? Hold on, this is gonna be a long video. Will you stick with me? Trust me, makes sense, right? So yeah, this and these celestial dragons, if you defend yourself against them, they literally have admirals. These are individuals with supernatural powers. One of these admirals literally is made out of light. He can move at light. He's intangible unless you have, but that's a fun calamity, right? So if you defend yourself against these celestial dragons who are possibly going to take you as a slave or simply kill you and take your partner, they will come and destroy your entire city. They have destroyed entire countries. So again, Tahiti no my youth, Tahiti no K-Tots, where I take. Alright, I'm here. So, Nepal, as I said, the youth of the country, because of rampant corruption, had to rise up in their country because the government, the leaders of their country was about to ban social media. Why you're gonna ban social media? Because you like social media. That's what this country for. They were gonna ban social media because the people, the youth of the country were able to see the children of these political leaders and the fact that they're living lavishly wild, not wild, but while they themselves, the regular people, cannot afford anything. So the corruption was horrible. So because the leaders of the country did not want the people of the country to see how their children and their spouses and so forth are living through the eyes of social media, they wanted to ban it. The youth of the country said no. No, as a matter of fact, this whole corrupted regime needs to end now. They rose up, they used social media to organize, and they crashed. They literally had ministers. You ever watch a disaster movie or a disaster history film and you see the helicopters fly over, then drop down look something and put whole lamp and go up? They literally had ministers doing that. Yes. So again, why me I make a connection? Because they used the flag, the straw hat flag, as a beacon of freedom throughout their entire protest. A lot of Jamaicans love them some One Piece and anime in general. But yet other countries are using these animes as inspiration to become and do better. What are you doing? But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?